I want you to recall a specific term, and the term is nucleon. Now, nucleons are nothing more than just the constituents of an atom's nucleus, which are what? The protons and the neutrons. Now, when they're forming, they're coming together and they're forming an atom's nucleus, something interesting happens because some of the matter or some of the mass of those nuclear particles is actually converted to energy, and it escapes. And we refer to this as the nuclear binding energy. Now, if we were coming at from like an antagonist perspective where we needed to destroy the nucleus of an atom, we would have to be able to match and invest the same amount of energy in order to dissociate all of those nucleons. So we can think of it like this. The higher the binding energy of an atom, the more stable the nucleus